Hello everyone, welcome back to NIIT. Can you imagine creating stunning videos without even touching a camera or an editing software? Sounds crazy, right? Well, AI is making this possible through AI video generators. These tools are perfect for marketers, content creators, educators, and businesses who need high quality videos and fast. Let's be real, video is king. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or even LinkedIn, videos grab attention way faster than text or images ever could. But let's not sugarcoat it. Creating pro-level videos isn't easy. It takes time, skills, and some seriously pricey gear. That is where AI completely changes the game. From automated editing to realistic avatars, AI-powered tools are making video production faster, smarter, and way more accessible. Now, whether you're a solo creator, a startup, or a brand, you can create scroll-stopping, high-quality videos without blowing your budget or spending endless hours in post-production. The future of content, it is AI-powered. And how do those AI video generators actually work? Essentially, they use sophisticated algorithms to interpret your input. Whether it's a text script, a collection of images, or even just a general idea, and then automatically generate a video. They handle everything from choosing appropriate visuals to adding transitions and even creating realistic sounding voiceovers. Think of it as having a virtual video production team at your fingertips. AI video generators are the future of content creation. Ever wished you had a video production team at your fingertips? That's exactly what AI video generators bring to the table. These next-gen tools use artificial intelligence to whip up stunning videos from just text or images, and even can level up your existing footage. So how do they work? AI video generators are basically your creative sidekick. Drop in a script, some images, or even just an idea, and boom, they work their magic. From picking the perfect visuals to adding cinematic transitions, eye-catching animations, and even ultra-realistic voiceovers, AI does it all. No pricey gear, no editing headaches, just pro-level videos effortlessly. Why AI video generators are a total game changer? Let's be real. Time is money, and AI video generators save you both. What used to take days or even weeks can now be done in hours without the stress. They are budget friendly because they don't need any expensive gear, fancy software, or a full-blown production crew. AI has ultimately got your back. You can customize everything from fonts, colors, to animations to match your vibe and brand effortlessly. In other words, total creative control. No skills, no problem. Even if you've never edited a video in your life, it makes it stupidly easy to create pro-level content. Basically, it's fast, affordable, and ridiculously simple. The ultimate hack for creators, brands, and anyone who wants to level up their video game. Now let's take a look at some of the leading players in the AI video generator space. Synthesia is known for its incredibly realistic AI avatars, making it perfect for training videos and presentations, with support from multiple languages and customization options. Pictory excels at transforming written content into visually appealing short videos, helping businesses and creators repurpose blogs and scripts into engaging video formats. Runway ML offers a suite of advanced AI tools for video editing and special effects, giving you more creative control with features like AI-powered background removal and motion tracking. HeyGen focuses on creating AI spokesperson videos, ideal for marketing and sales, enabling brands to produce professional videos without the need for on-camera talent. InVideo is a user-friendly option with a wide range of customizable templates, making it easy for beginners and professionals alike to create high-quality videos quickly. AI video tools, which one's right for you? Choosing the perfect AI video generator? Well, we've got you covered. Here's a quick breakdown based on what they do best. Synthesia, HeyGen, and DeepBrain AI are the masters of AI avatars. These tools are perfect for realistic spokesperson videos, corporate presentations, and pro-looking content that feels natural and engaging. Got a script or a blog post? Pictory, HeyGen, InVideo, and DeepBrain make text to video conversion effortless, transforming your videos into engaging scroll stopping in minutes. Whether you're creating YouTube content, marketing clips, or social media posts, these tools help you go from text to trending and no editing skills are required. Want pro-level editing? Pictory, Runway, ML and InVideo come packed with advanced features to refine, enhance and perfect your video content like a boss. Need AI-powered voiceovers? Synthesia, Pictory, HeyGen and InVideo deliver natural, lifelike narration, making your videos sound as good as they look. With these tools, you get cinematic quality edits and crystal clear voiceovers. No fancy gear or studio needed. AI video generators have a wide range of applications, transforming content creation across industries. In marketing and social media, they help brands produce eye-catching promotional videos quickly, boosting engagement and reach. In education and training, AI avatars make learning more interactive by delivering dynamic tutorials and presentations. E-commerce businesses can enhance their product listings with AI-generated videos, combining narration and visuals to improve customer experience. And in the corporate world, companies can use AI spokespersons for professional presentations, internal communications, and even customer service, streamlining content creation while maintaining a polished and consistent brand voice. AI video tools are revolutionizing content creation across industries, making video production faster, easier, and more accessible than ever. Brands can now create eye-catching promo videos in minutes, boosting engagement and reach without the need for expensive production teams. AI avatars bring lessons to life with dynamic tutorials and interactive presentations, making learning more engaging and effective. In e-commerce, AI-generated videos enhance product listings by combining narration and visuals, creating a richer shopping experience that helps drive conversions. In the corporate world, AI streamlines content creation by enabling AI spokespersons for professional presentations, automating internal communications, and enhancing customer service, all while ensuring a polished and consistent brand message. No matter the industry, AI video generators make pro-level content creation effortless, efficient, and cost-effective. AI video generators. Cool, but not perfect. AI video tools are a game changer, but let's keep it real. They've got their flaws too. Creativity and emotion? Meh. AI can't match the human touch. Sometimes the storytelling just feels flat. Limited customization? Some tools box that you in, making it hardly to fully personalize your brand's vibe. Lip sync and voice issues. AI avatars still struggle with that perfect sync, sometimes making them look, well, a little off. Deep fake drama. AI tech is powerful, but in the wrong hands, it can spread misinformation or create entirely misleading content. And finally, too much AI equal to boring content. Overusing AI could mean a flood of generic, same-looking videos, killing that fresh creative spark. Remember, AI is a tool, not a replacement. When used smartly, it's a total powerhouse. But little human creativity, still priceless. The future of AI video is insane. AI video generation is about to blow up, and here's what's coming next. Hyper-realistic AI avatars is something that you should definitely get ready for. Avatars so lifelike, you will swear that they're real. Plus, they'll seamlessly integrate with VR and AR, taking immersive content to a whole new level. More control, more creativity, and zero limits. That's what next level customization can do. AI tools will become smarter and easier to use, giving creators Hollywood level editing at their fingertips. AI won't just help you create content, it'll make sure people see it by optimizing videos for search rankings and boosting traffic like never before. With great power comes, well, rules. Expect new guidelines, ethics, and regulations to keep AI video tech responsible and ethical as it continues to evolve. The future of AI video is faster, smarter, and crazier than we ever imagined. And guess what? We're just getting started. AI video tools are revolutionizing content creation, making it faster, smarter, and more cost effective than ever. They won't replace human creativity, but they'll definitely supercharge it, opening up endless possibilities for creators, brands, and businesses alike. Now's the time to experiment, explore, and find the AI tool that fits your style. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, AI can take your video content to the next level. So why not jump in and see what's possible? The future of video is here and it is AI powered. Alright, that's a wrap. Which AI tools excite you the most? Comment below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more career insights, and drop a comment on which tool you're most excited about. See you in the next one.